Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Zane, and today we're going over how to grow your Etsy shop faster using commercial use templates. In this video, we're going to be covering where you should get these templates, why using commercial use templates is a great idea, how to properly use commercial use templates, and then we're going to go over an example of how I would personalize a template. Before we dive in, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you want to build your digital empire, scale up your Etsy shop, and make money online so you can live the dream life that you want. Every like and every sub I get gives me the motivation to keep going, even when I feel like nobody is watching. So thanks so much, guys. So you should get your commercial use templates from kzane.com. That is my website. If you don't know what a commercial use template is, it's just a template that you can use to create a product that you then sell in your own Etsy shop or on your own Shopify store to your own audience. Basically, it's a shortcut to getting products up quicker. Currently, I only have 3 products up, but I'm going to be getting more up in the coming year, so stay tuned for that. You might be asking yourself, why should you even use commercial use templates? One, you'll save so much time, like not having to design products from scratch. Like when I make these products, it takes me hours to design them, whereas when you buy a template, it'll take you literally like 10 minutes to customize and just put up in your own shop. Number 2 is maybe you just don't like designing, or maybe you just feel like you're not good at designing and you can't produce a professional looking product that people actually want to buy. I sell party games in my own main Etsy shop, so I know exactly what sells, so you can be assured that you're getting a well-made product that will actually sell. And then number 3 is when you have more products in your shop and you have more listings, that is more chance to make more sales. So the faster you grow your shop, the more money you can make. When I was first starting out on Etsy, I was always looking for like PLR templates and commercial use templates to use, but everything was like so ugly, guys, that I refused to sell it in my shop. I'm very particular about what I sell, and so I made it a point to only sell commercial use templates that I would sell myself. So all the love that I put in my designs, they will become yours to use and put in your own shop and start making some money. So now I just want to talk about how to properly use these commercial use templates. A lot of people will tell you like you can just download them as is and put them up. And technically you can, but I would not recommend that because it doesn't make sense to put the same exact product up into a marketplace because you're not adding any value then. You want to differentiate your product at least a little bit by like changing the colors or changing the fonts used or adding different graphics or even adding your own like branding at the bottom. And honestly, you're already saving so much time by not having to design it by scratch. You should put in the effort just to make it a little bit different. So now I'm going to take one of my games from my football pack and I'm going to customize it with you guys and show you what I would do to make it a unique product to sell on Etsy. So 9 games come in this bundle. On Etsy, you would sell them as a bundle, and then I would also sell them individually for anywhere from $3 to maybe $4. So you can make sales both ways. After you bought the bundle, you would get this PDF and just click here to get the Canva template link. So here are the templates. We are going to customize the football Think Fast. Okay, so this is your starting point. Like I said, you wouldn't want to just download this and put it right up on Etsy. Let's make it a little bit special. You don't have to do a lot, but like just a little tweaking. So maybe you didn't like this border around it. You could delete the border. I would definitely change the fonts. Maybe you didn't like the shadow effect, so you could take that off. Or even, you could even do more. Let's switch this around. Change the font. To perfectly center it, you can just do that. I'm gonna say football edition. To quickly change everything to caps, you can click on here and you go to the A's up top. Let's change this font. Pop into light. Let's change this to Montserrat. And I'm gonna make this capital letters. Make it a little smaller. Let's change this. It looks good. Just make sure they're not touching the lines. Maybe move that down a little bit. And then, like I said, you can also just add some graphics to give it a personal little touch. So let's come to the elements and then football. Just use this one. And you could add footballs. And then I would flip this, rotate it. Okay, it looks pretty good. And then even if you could even do this. Maybe you didn't like the border like that, but maybe you would like it better. Something like this. Not like that, hold on. Let's see the bottom. Okay, move these over a little. Like right here. And right here. And boom, there you go. So you went from this to this in under, I think I did that in like 5 minutes, and it would have been even faster if my computer wasn't acting so slow. So then you'd pretty much just go through and change all the other games to the same fonts and the same colors. And then you'd also just put the border around like you did for here. And so at that point you could just copy and paste it to be the same on all of the pages. And then if you have Canva Pro, because I'm not sure if you can do this on the free account, you can come to styles and then go to fonts and then quickly change the fonts on all of the pages at one time. So let's use, which do we want to use? Maybe the chunk 5. Let's try that. Hit apply to all pages. Then all of the fonts would change to those 2 fonts. And so yeah, that makes it even faster. So yeah, that's how I would create a completely new product using a commercial use template. Be sure to check out my website, kzane.com, to start filling out your shop faster and start making more money, guys. Also, if you want to learn all my secrets and tips and tricks to scaling up to $30,000 my first year on Etsy, be sure to check out my passive income with printables ebook. You can also find that on my website, or you can look down below in the description. The link will be there. I got one of my wisdom teeth out this week, so my left jaw is completely swollen, guys. I don't know if I sounded weird in this video, but if I did, that is why. Until next time, you guys.